Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Coming soon, a quick announcement. The 7th free 30 plus day Get Up and Go challenge is beginning April 1st, this week. I thought it was Wednesday, but it's actually starting on Thursday the 1st, and we are going to do 30 plus days of daily teeny tiny baby steps to help make sure that you, like me, are getting up and going and moving forward toward what it is that you want in your life, toward growth, toward progress. We as human beings always want to be making progress. We always want to be moving toward something. It's like anything else. If we don't know where we're going, if we haven't set our own direction, it will be set for us. In this last year, COVID and all the craziness that's gone on, at least here in the United States, has set the direction in the way many of us don't want to go. And so to counteract that, to balance that out, we do, and this will be our 7th 30 plus day Get Up and Go challenge. We're going to do one more, and then we'll see what that morphs into next. But I wanted to invite you and make sure that you had the opportunity to pop on and join us for that. We're starting April 1st through May 1st. So we've got our 30 plus days. Every day we'll hop on. We'll have a quick topic, a quick lesson. We're going to learn all about how you can apply the SOAP framework automatically to your life to guarantee that you'll have better results after any change or challenge that you experienced than before you were hit upside the head with that particular challenge or change in your life. It happens to us all the time individually, but last year it happened simultaneously to almost everyone on the planet. And when something like that happens, it requires that we do something about it. We have to address it. We can't just wait for the world to change around us or go back to normal, because it's not going to happen. We have to take control of our lives and take control of what we want and move toward that. And this is the perfect way to do that. So I invite you to join us on the Get Up and Go Challenge page right here on Facebook, or you can join the Get Up and Go Challenge private group where we have more detailed discussions, more private and behind the scenes discussions about things that are going on in our lives, things that you might not want everyone on Facebook to see. Not that we care, but things that we can really be open and honest and talk about that are unique to this particular group. So join us April 1st through May 1st. I will see you here. Have an awesome day. Any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Bye. Get up and go. Get moving.